So I'd like us to look at this example too. Okay, approximate 3585958. Okay, we want to approximate this number to nearest tens. This one is going to be a bit long. Nearest tens, it will encompass everything. Nearest tens, nearest hundred. Okay, the next one, nearest thousand, nearest thousand. The next one, that's D, one significant figure. Okay, one significant figure. Let's move our board up. Okay, the next one, two significant figure. Two significant figure. So let's quickly unravel this. Okay, what's the value that we have? We have 3585958. So let's answer it accordingly. Okay, to answer our question A, okay, 3585958 to the nearest tens. So this is my units and this is my tens. So 8 on top of 5, it will add 1 because it's in the second category. So this 8 will vanish to 0. So my answer is 35859. 5 plus 1, that's 6, 0. And that answers nearest tens. Okay, let's go to nearest 100. Same value, 3585958 to nearest 100. So this is my units, this is my tens, and this is my 100. Now I want us to listen to this aspect carefully. What is the number at the back of my 100 number? That's 5. So 5 on top of 9 will add 1. Then every other 10 at the back will vanish to 0. But if you look at this, your 9 plus 1 will give you 10. Is that not so? And you know that in our day-to-day mathematics, let me quickly do something. If I say 28 plus 22, 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Do I write that 10 now? No, I don't do like that. Rather, what will I say? I'll do what? I'll write 0, and I'll carry 1. So the same thing we normally do when we are doing simple addition is also the same thing that we are going to do here. So 9 plus 1 will give us 10. Despite the fact that we are doing nearest 100, since this one will give us 10, your 9 will turn to 0, then you carry the 1 on top of 6, even though it is nearest 100. The answer will appear like a nearest 1,000 answer. I hope you are following. So that will be 358, 5 plus 1, that's 6. Then 3 zeros at the back. That answers nearest 100. Let's look at the next one. One significant figure. Yes, I want you to pay attention to what one significant figure looks like. So 358595. Let's see what 958. Okay, 958. I want to approximate to one significant figure. What do you mean by one significant figure means the very first number from the start. I'm not interested in, actually I'm interested in all the numbers at the back, but I cannot recollect. Okay, you having to tell me that you have 3,585,000. Why can't you tell me in a rounded form that I can easily remember, even when you wake me up from my sleep? So that's the meaning of significant figure. So before you write your significant figure, then you check for the number at the back. 5 on top of 3, that will add 1 to 3, and every other thing here will vanish to 0. So my answer to the one significant figure will be 3 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 1 is 4. So that will be 4. Then how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 4 0 0 0 0 0. So I can easily recollect this, that okay, I have close to 4 million naira in my account, instead of having to recollect all these figures. But when you tell me that, mommy, I have 4 million, I can easily recollect that. That is the advantage of significant figures. So the next one is two significant figures. So 358, 595. Let's see what, okay, 598. 598 is the question to two significant figure. So this is our one significant figure. This is our two significant figure. And before you conclude, you check the number at the back. 8 on top of 5, that's 1. It had 1. So you had 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you are able to write your answer. Okay, so our final answer will be 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And that's our final answer for two significant figures. So in the next video, I will be teaching approximation of decimal numbers, because this one is approximation of whole numbers. So I want you to learn this, digest it properly, and have this take home. And drop your answers in the comment section. Approximate 5658238. So okay, we are going to do this number. This is the first number, A, B, then the second number, 7246958 Yes, approximate these two numbers under the following headings. Under these headings, I call it number 1, nearest tens. B, nearest 100. C, nearest 1000. D, one significant figure. E, two significant figure. Then F, three significant figure. So I want to believe that you enjoy the class as much as I also enjoy the class. If you enjoy the class, please help us like, help us share with students that will find it important. Bye.